Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today we are back for our technical exercises. We are in Book 1, Group 2, Exercise 2. And before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. As always, feel free to share any of my videos with your family and friends. All right, today's exercise is going to be a kind of an easy one. We're just going to have both hands in what we call C position. We've got our right hand thumb on middle C, and our left hand fifth finger is going to be on the C below that, which we call bass C. Okay, I'm going to start off by just demonstrating the right hand by itself, and then I'll show you how to put hands together. Both hands are going to be playing the same thing. They're playing in unison. So again, not too tricky of an exercise. Okay, we're going to start with some eighth notes in the C position like this. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D. Then we're going to go to skips. C, E, G, E. Now quarter notes on D, G, back to eighth notes. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D. We're going to jump back up to this G, F, E, D, C for a half note. All right, so as I said, the hands are playing unison, so the left hand's going to play the same notes, just an octave lower. So now I'm going to go kind of slow and count it, and then I will speed it up. It goes like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, now I'm going to do it at a quicker tempo, and I'm also going to play legato the first time, and then I'm going to repeat staccato, which is how the exercise should be played. Okay, so this is what it looks like. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. There you go. That is Book 1, Group 2, Exercise 2 from the Dozen a Day by Edna Mae Burnam. So thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Bye-bye.